In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Then scroll down to click on Shortcuts and Accessibility. Then you need to scroll down to choose one-handed and click on this switcher next to Access Mini Screen using gesture to enable one-handed mode. Now to use it, follow all of those instructions. Slide inward from the edge of the screen and then slide out of the screen. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To manage your tiny screen, you can click on this icon of a crossed square at the top left corner. Hold one of those dots and drag your screen wherever you want to. If you want to use it on an opposite direction, those two options at the top will switch places. Now my square is at the top right corner. You can also resize it using the same dots. And last but not least, to go back to standard screen, click on this X. To disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same, now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!